Hello. We're going to be looking at how to declare the sale of second home or some other piece of property that you had a gain on, whether it's a collectible or an item or anything along those lines. Again, this is not for a personal sale of home. If you lived in the home for at least 2 out of the last 5 years, this is not the way to enter that sale. This is for a home that you did not rent or a home that you did not live in. This is a niche situation, but this is the way to enter that sale. Yes, I had investment income, and I'm going to enter it in a different way. I'm going to select this other land, home, land, second home, personal items. And even in this scenario, you'll see that the name of the brokerage that had brokered the sale, it still defaults to stock, but you have a lot of options here. And go down to second home. And then how did you receive it? Purchased, inherited, received from divorce settlement, as a gift, something else. Typically, it's going to be I purchased it. And we'll go ahead and just say 123 main. And when did you receive this investment? Which means when did you purchase it? So let's say I bought it on January 1st, 2020. And I sold it January 1st, 2024. Now, these dates do matter. If you are over a year or under a year, that's where it begins to matter. If it's under a year, that is considered a short-term capital gain, which means that you will be charged taxes based on ordinary tax rates. If it's held for at least a year, then that is a long-term capital gain, which means you are taxed at the 0 to 20% long-term capital gains tax, which is going to be lower than the ordinary income. Proceeds, this is how much did the property sell for? Let's say it sold for 500,000 and the amount paid. And let's say I paid 350,000 for it. Continue. And now you can see that's going to really spike our tax bill there. So I paid sales expenses that are not included. This would be if there was anything not included on the statement or anything else in the cost basis that's not recorded anywhere else. You want to go ahead and add those in here. So let's say none apply for now. And that's it. You can see our cost basis 350,000, our proceeds, gain loss. Cost basis, this is an important concept because cost basis is what did it cost you in the entirety of its lifespan, not just the purchase price. That is important to know.